Okay, so now we're going to move on from prepositions to similarity mistakes. And as you can see here, these are words that could be combined into a mistake. So kindly person is going to be wrong. And I would say this is pretty common. And it's a really pretty simple mistake. So again, if you're wondering why people make these simple mistakes, it's because they don't have, in Chinese you say 语感. I don't think we have a word for that. I'll have to look that up. But they don't have the feeling for the language, so they don't know, they don't feel that they're incorrect. And they're just using what they learned from books. So you need to watch videos and copy what people say. So you get that feeling, because you'll get it from vision, hearing, and speaking, those three senses. And you'll be better developed with your language mistake capability. He is a kind person, he is a friendly person. So I just know, just by feeling, this is right and this is wrong. I'm sorry, this is wrong, this is right, and this is right. So that's what you need. You need to get the feeling, because reading gives very little feeling. Some feeling, but very little. You need a combination of the three, reading, speaking, and listening. Okay, so let's see. I don't know why this is on here. Okay. So he is so a good person. This is pretty common. I would say almost every time. He is such a good person. This one too. It's too common to be 4 stars. So it happens almost every time. This one doesn't always happen. This one happens almost every time. So the answer should be, he is so a good person. He is such a good person. Sorry, did it again. He is so good a person. He is such a good person. So I highlighted it. You can get the visual, but you need to say it to yourself, and then you need to hear it. You can hear it by saying it, or you can hear it by listening to people speak. All right, let's go down here. I have must go. Okay, so I don't think this is very common, but it does happen, so I'm going to give it a 1, and it's very simple. I must to go. This is really bad right here. When I say really bad, I mean it happens all the time, and it's very simple. So again, it's a combination of these two that makes these mistakes. So I must go or I have to go. Let's look down here. This 4 years, you know, 复数单数问题. So you need to, this happens like every day. I'm going to give it 5 because you should really pay attention. Now this could be pronunciation, 可能是发音, you know, this. A lot of people don't say these, and they just say these, or they say this. And this is not okay. Maybe you remember to write this, but when you say this sentence, it becomes like this. So you need to change your pronunciation, probably, and then have more awareness. So 4是复数, right? There's 4 things, 1, 2, 3, 4. Years and these. So you need all of those. This 4 years period, it's the same thing. And sometimes people say something about age, like 5 years old child. It should be 5-year-old. So 在形容 child 的时候，不用复数了。Okay, let's go down here. Now this is a different kind of problem. It looks like we're going to be going on for a while. So I'm going to stop here and we will continue next week.